In this video, we'll be unboxing the Kingshine Premium Bucket Combo.
Damn! Leave a like and subscribe.
YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another basic customs video. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Kingshine Bucket Combo. I got mine for 340 Rand at Takealot, so let's get into it. This is the Kingshine Premium Bucket Combo. And the front we have labeling, and the rest of the bucket is see-through. Right now I'm pointing out that there seems to be a bit of spillage, though I'm not sure which of the bottles is leaking. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Fun fact, Kingshine was actually established in 2018 by two brothers-in-law from the city of Gqeberha, aka Port Elizabeth. Okay, so starting off, we have the large blue sponge for washing the car. I'm not sure if it's a scratch resistant or scratch proof sponge, but it is really foamy. Up next we have the 500 ml wash and wax, the car shampoo for the Kingshine brand. Something I really like about their labeling is that the instructions are printed nice and clearly on the bottle itself. And real quick on a side note, before we get too deep into things, please leave a like, please subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications, because in the next video I'll be doing a review of the Kingshine car kit when I wash my own car. Okay, so up next we got the Quick Shine, which is their quick detailer. You get 250 ml. Again, I really like the labeling, I like the colorway, and again the instructions that are really well printed. Then we get the Dash Shine, 250 ml of that. It's called a Milky Dash Shine. I'm not sure if this is their flagship product, which is the Milky Me Now, but there was a tire shine, so I'm not sure if this is what it eventually evolved into. Then we have 100 ml air freshener. I don't know what it smells like yet. I'll probably see that in the review, but I believe this is the bottle it spilled, though there's no indication that it did spill. There's no leaks, there's no nothing. Then we have the window cleaner, 200 ml of that. Not much to say. We'll see how it works, we'll see if it leaves any streaks, but again, that's for the review video. Then we have 250 ml of the silicone tire dressing. Up next we have a small sponge that goes with the tire dressing silicone. Same material as the large sponge. Then we have the microfiber cloth at 200 GSM. It's right around the perfect thickness for cleaning glass, because it won't leave a streak, or it shouldn't leave a streak. Then we also get a licensed disc holder. For those of you not from South Africa, we get licensed disc for vehicles. You paste it on your front windscreen, and that's how you keep it on your front windscreen. And lastly, the 5-liter bucket that everything came in. You can also use that to wash the car. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one.